Oh yeah, and the rib steak. You freeze it, you have it wrapped up in, put it in a Ziploc and put it in the middle of your backpack. And then by the time you get to your, wherever it is you're stopping, it should be thawed out enough that all you have to do is toss it on the fire, and you have nice fresh rib steak for supper. Well, here we are in the tent. It's raining out. Supper was excellent, by the way. So we're just going to hang out here for a little while, I suppose. Wait for it to die down. It's supposed to die down soon. But, in the meantime, good thing I bought the paper. Well, it's still raining. Well, it stopped raining. It's a nice storm, not so bad. Well, the only bad thing is all the mosquitoes are out now. Oh well. Can't do much about that. Actually, I can. I have some stuff somewhere. So good. Morning coffee. Good morning. Doing a crossword puzzle, and there's a clue here. Number 1 down. Does a job on. And so far the only letters I have are B, L, blank, W, blank. No. The answer was snows. Snow job. Well, it wasn't a bad day today, at least so far. Rained a little bit. Just a little bit. No big deal. Just making supper now. Barbecued chicken. Looks good. Smells good. Should taste good too, I think. I hope. Cup of tea, anyone?